Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some unboxings for Record Store Day Black Friday 2019. These are titles that I kind of wanted for myself. This is Alice Cooper's $1 Billion Babies Live. This is a concert from Houston, Texas, 1973 with the original Alice Cooper group. Looks like it comes with a bonus 7-inch School's Out Under My Wheels single. This is numbered to, or not numbered, but this is a limited edition of 6,000, kind of a gold metallic cover. There is the back. All right, let's check it out. Let's see. Kind of cool. The inside is green, similar to the original album. Kind of has that snakeskin texture to it. Look, anyways, it's smooth. There's the single. School's Out and Under My Wheels. Looks like they're both on standard black vinyl. Nice poly lined inner sleeve. Side one, side two. Looks perfect. Vinyl's nice and clean. Nice and flat. All right, I'm Mike.